Hello, welcome. We are going to look at solutions to this particular problem. 4 root of m, cube root of m, square root of m equals to 3 root 3. Find the solution. Method 1. We have 4 roots of m, cube root of m, square root of m equals to 3 root 3. So here 3 root 3 is the same as 3 times root 3. But note, root 3 is same as 3 to the power half. So this implies that 3 root 3 is equal to 3 dot 3 to the power half. So here is a power of 1. So if we raise this exponent, that will give us 3 to the power 1 plus half. And that becomes 3 to the power 3 over 2. So come here. So we have 4 roots of m, cube root of m, square root of m is equals to 3 to the power 3 over 2. So here we take the fourth roots, the fourth power of this, take the fourth power of this, so to the power 4, here to the power 4. So this will give us, this will cancel this, and we're left with m, cube root of m, square root of m equals to, so apply this in this rule. If you have a to the power m, what is the power n? It's equals to a to the power mn. So apply that. So here we have 3 to the power 3 over 2 times 4. So this will give us m, cube root of m, square root of m equals to 3 over 2 times 4. That's 2, cancel this, and then 2 here 2. So that will give us 3 to the power 6. So we have m, cube root of m, square root of m equals to 3 to the power 6. So we take the cube of this and take the cube of this. Applying that, if you have a to the power m, this can be written as ab to the power m. So this, the reverse will be applied. So this one will give us m to the power 3 multiplied by cube root of m, square root of m raised to the power 3 equals to 3, 6 times 3 will give us 18. So we have m to the power 3. The cube root will cancel the cube. So we left with what? M square root of what? M equals to 3 to the power 18. So here m times m will give us m to the power 4 against m square root of m equals to 3 to the power 18. So we square both sides. So we square here and square here. So this will give us, applying this rule again, this will give us m to the power 4 square multiplied by square root of m square equals to 3 to the power, we're squaring here 2, so square here 2, right? So that will give us 3 to the power 8 times 2 will give us 36. So this will give us m, 4 times 2 will give us 8. Multiply the square root to cancel this, and we're left with m equals to 3 to the power 36. So m to the power 8 times m, this is the power of 1. So we apply this in this rule. If you have a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. So applying that, we have m 8 plus 1 equals to 3 to the power 36. So here we have m to the power 9 equals to 3 to the power 36. So we apply 1/9 exponent here and 1/9 exponent here. So this will give us m equals to 3 36 multiplied by 1 over 9. So we have m equals to 3 to the power 6, that's 36 over 9. So we have m equals to 3 to the power 36 divided by 9 will give us 4. So here m is equals to 3 to the power 4, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and that is equals to 81. So therefore m is equals to 81. That is the first solution. So now let's look at method 2. In method 2, let's have the equation again. Fourth root of m, cube root of m, square root of m is equals to 3 root 3. So here we can write this one as fourth root of m multiplied by fourth root of, and then followed by this is cube root of m multiplied by fourth root of cube root of m, the cube root and square root of what? M. So here fourth root, cube root and square root. Here fourth root, cube root of m equals to 3 root 3. Now let's see, if you have n fruits of a, give us a raised to the power 1 over n. So applying this, we can have this one as m to the power 1 over 4 multiply. So here will give us m to the power, the first root is 1 over 4, second root is 1 over 3 multiplied by m, the first one is 1 over 4, second one is 1 over 3, third one is half, and that is equals to 3 root 3. Recall 3 root 3 in the first solution was same as 3 to the power 3 over 2. So therefore this will become 3 to the power 3 over 2. So now we have m to the power 1 over 4 multiplied by, we multiply the exponent, so that will give us m equals to 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 3 is 12 multiplied by m. Here will give us 1 times 1 times 1 will give us 1, 4 times 3 times 2 will give us 24 equals to 3 to the power 3 over 2. So here we have this rule. If you have a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, the answer is equals to a to the power m plus n. So we add the exponents. That's a very powerful rule. So applying that rule, we have m 1 over 4 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 24 equals to 3 to the power 3 over 2. So let's simplify it here. So here 1 over 4 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 24. Let's find the LCM. So here we have 24. 24 divided by 4. 6 times 1, that's 6, plus 24 divided by 12. 2 times 1, that's 2, plus 24 divided by 24. 1 times 1 equals 1. So this equals to 9 over 24. Alright. So 9 over 24. So this implies that m raised to the power 9 over 24 is equals to 3 to the power 3 over 2. So we take the reverse exponents of both sides. So that will give us 24 over 9. 24 over 9. So here 24 cancel 24. Now we cancel 9. So we are left with 9 equals to. So let's simplify this one too. We have 9 here, a 3 here, 3, and 3 cancel 3. 2 here, 1, and 2 here, 12. 3 here, 1, and 3 here, 4. So we have 3 to the power 4. So therefore, m is equals to 3 to the power 4. And that's equals to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And that is equals to 81. So therefore, m is equals to 81. That's a method 2. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.